In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download monthly payment reports in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account and head to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Transactions. This is where you can view activity related to payments and other financial events in your account. After that, make sure the Payments tab is selected. This is important because you want your report to show payment activity specifically, rather than a broader mix of transaction types. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right tab can help avoid exporting the wrong data. Next, click on Date and Time. This is where you'll narrow the results so the report only includes the month you want. In the filter options, change the setting from "is in the last" to "is between." That option gives you more precise control over the date range. Now select the first day and the last day of the month you want to report on. Be careful here, because choosing the correct start and end dates ensures the report reflects the full month accurately. Once those dates are set, click Apply to filter the payments for that specific month. At this point, take a moment to verify that only payments from the selected month are displayed. This quick review is a useful habit because it helps you catch any mistakes before exporting. If something doesn't look right, you can always adjust the date filter before moving on. When everything looks correct, click Export in the top right corner. Stripe will then show you the export settings. Review those settings carefully so you know exactly what will be included in the file. This is a good time to double-check that the filtered data matches the month you intended to report on. Once you've reviewed the settings, click Export again to generate the report. Depending on the amount of data, it may take a moment for Stripe to prepare the file. When it's ready, download the report file to your device. After the file has been downloaded, open it to review the monthly payment report. This lets you confirm the information exported correctly and gives you a chance to use the report for accounting, reconciliation, or record-keeping purposes. That's the full process for downloading a monthly payment report in Stripe. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to generate accurate monthly reports whenever you need them. Thanks for watching.